Hi, my name is Daniel Yelverton from Windows Plus, and today I'd like to spotlight the Elements window from Soft-Lite. The Elements window is a great value window here at Windows Plus. We get a great promotion from the manufacturer, and so it's our highest efficiency option, but it's our middle of the road cost. Let's take a closer look. I think the Elements window is one of our best windows that we offer here at Windows Plus. Now, we have a lot of great options that serve a lot of great needs, but the Elements window is the great blend of durability, efficiency, value, and cost. One of the major factors when you're choosing a new window is energy efficiency. The Elements window solves that in so many different ways. First, it has a completely insulated frame and sash. So some windows will have no insulation, some will have insulation inserts, but the complete cavities in the frame and the sash are insulated to maximize the insulation of the window. As far as glass package goes, we get a free triple pane glass package from the manufacturer. It doubles up the efficiency when it comes to double pane windows, and it fits kind of in the same spot that you're going to get with a double pane. This window also excels in beauty. It has a cove molding that is on the outside frame, so it looks a little bit like a shadow box effect and sometimes like wood trim from the exterior. One thing that's excellent about this window is the durability of it. Durability is a key factor in the longevity of your window, and the meeting rails, which is going to be the places where the locks come together, is reinforced with a Kevlar beam. Now, Kevlar is going to be stronger than steel, but it's also non-conductive, so it's going to help with the energy efficiency. So these locks are actually screwed directly into the Kevlar beam to give it a much stronger durability rating and also safety rating. And as you can see, it has the ILTIS low profile locks. One thing you will notice with this is that it has a triple mylar weather stripping. The weather stripping is there to help a lot with the insulation of the window, but a big factor in air infiltration. So as the vinyl is touching vinyl, there's going to be multiple pieces of weather stripping. On average, there's about 50 feet when it comes to the Elements windows, and that's just going to help with the overall efficiency because as less air comes in, your HVAC and furnace has to run less. One of the great features of the Elements window is the ILTIS lock system. What you'll notice here is it doesn't have these latches on the side that you can use to tilt in to clean. It's all part of the lock mechanism. So you just unlock it right here, lift up the window, and then push these little buttons in right here where it says wash, and that deactivates this little lever on the side so that you can tilt it in for easy cleaning. And then push the levers right back in and it goes right into shape, and you don't have to worry about these either snapping or breaking or causing any issues down the road. The Elements window is one of the most efficient windows in the country. We like to use a lot of third-party data when it comes to the ratings of our windows so that you can have peace of mind to say that, wow, this is a very efficient window. So Energy Star uses a measurement called U-factor. U-factor measures the insulation of the window. For the Elements double hung at Windows Plus, with our free triple pane glass package, the U-factor is going to be a 0.19. One of the main reasons it's that way is because we get the free triple pane glass package. Now this is going to be a double low E and double argon filled triple pane glass package. One other key factor for energy efficiency is air infiltration. So how drafty are your windows? There's a metric that we use where they test windows with a 25-mile-an-hour breeze, and they'll test how much air passes through in cubic feet per minute. So minimum requirement for windows is 0.3 cubic feet per minute, which is about 2¼ gallons of air. The Elements is 30 times less than that at a 0.01. It is the lowest air infiltration of any window that we offer. And that 0.01 is less than a soda can or pop can per minute per window entering your house with a 25-mile-an-hour wind. Imagine all your windows having that tight air infiltration, lowering your energy bills. Your HVAC and furnace are running less because it doesn't have to recondition the air that's either coming in or trying to escape. So the Elements solves those two big issues that we see in windows with insulation and with draftiness. Thank you for joining us today in our spotlight of the Elements window. If you're looking for a high efficiency, middle of the road cost, but high durability and longevity with lifetime warranties, the Elements window might be the window for you.